Is your husband a direct descendant of Tomas Cloma?
My husband, sir, his mother's mother is cousin of Thomas Clomas.
Yeah, please extend my regards, and we'd like to thank him for discovering and occupying
Yes,
and
sir.
owning and donating to the Philippine government the Kalayaan Island Group. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Colonel Cloma, so you are married to a descendant of Mr. Thomas Cloma?
Yes, sir.
Senator Lacson made reference to his being the one who discovered Kalayaan Island Group
Kalayaan
or this
Island
Spratley.
Group.
Was that supported by reliable accounts?
Based on the stories I had from my husband, and I did a little research about it, sir.
I'm not referring, Colonel, to the stories. Is this supported by historical facts?
I have seen and read some references about it, sir.
Did you know that when Mr. Thomas Cloma made a freedom declaration in 1956, several countries objected, like United Kingdom, the United States of America, China did also, Japan, Australia, and the Philippines. Did you know that?
Based on my reading, sir, I only read countries like Vietnam, China, France.
Yes. Did you know that these countries objected to his declaration?
Yes, sir.
According to the objectors, Kalayaan Island Group at that time is no longer treated as terra nullius, which means that
Nobody's island.
it is not unoccupied and it was not undiscovered. Kaya po, pati ang ating bansa vigorously objected. And that is why it is not correct to assume that he discovered it because several other discoverers prior to his time. Do you know that in 1837, the United Kingdom already made a notification claim? And in 1933, Japan also made the same notice of claim prior to the declaration of Mr. Thomas Cloma in 1956. Meaning, marami na po talaga ang nakakita, nakadiscover ng Kalayaan Island Group. So, hindi po siya pwedeng mag-donate dahil inobjekan po ng ating bansa mismo. And there is no record also that his donation was formalized by the arbitral ruling. That is not on record. Just for the record,